I was gonna ask you, what did you do with all that money in high school, when you make 1 million? But I guess you used it to buy yourself out of sticky situations
I
with your
threw
parents.
25 grand, right? Yeah, and
Yeah,
it's funny because I was like, Annie, I was like, well, surely he's not going to cash the check, but no, he
he
cashed the
did.
check. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
I started buying stocks when I was 12 years old, and I did that because when I was maybe 10, in my Christmas stocking, my parents wanted me to learn about stocks, and they gave me one share of three different companies that I knew. So
Hmm.
one share of Disney, one share of what was Toys R Us, which doesn't exist anymore, and one share of Microsoft or AT&T, some other name that anyone would know. And I just thought that was so cool. Like, wow, I own part of this company. And when a company pays a dividend, you get a check in the mail. So like, wow, I'm going to get $12 in the mail when they pay a dividend. I just thought that was so cool. So I started investing when I was 12 and 13 in the stock market. And then now I trade stocks every single day. So we got on this call at 4 o'clock Eastern. I literally just got out of my Schwab trading account to jump in the Zoom because I trade every single day, and I think it was 600 trades last year. So I'm just very active because I enjoy it. So
So there's no boat parties with all your friends on a yacht.
just on my friends' boats.
I see.